What's the meaning of ashtray? Ashtray. Ashtray.
Ashtray. Ashtray. An ashtray is a small container used for holding ashes from cigarettes, cigars, or pipes. It is typically made of metal, ceramic, or glass and can come in various sizes and shapes. The purpose of an ashtray is to provide a designated place for smokers to dispose of their ash and cigarette butts safely. Ashtrays can be found in homes, offices, and public places where smoking is allowed. They are often designed to be easily cleaned and emptied, and some even have unique features like built-in lighters or holders for cigarettes.